Hi, this is Victor, the Director of Content of BlueDAG. Today we're going to look at the barrier findings table and how to export the data there from our evaluations. So the first thing you want to do is click on barrier findings here on the menu. Then this page will load up. Depending on your view, you might see a Google map here on the left and a table on your right. So this table has columns that are set by the field chooser. So if I click on field chooser, this pop-up window will appear. Now here are the available columns that we can add to our table. And over here to the right are columns that we have already selected for our table. To select a new column, simply highlight the column here on the available section, click choose, and it will be added to the bottom of the list. Then we can use the up and down arrows to position the column wherever we want it. To remove, do the same, just click remove. You can also add another column by just simply double clicking and remove it by doing the same. Now, right now I have my table set to show evaluation title as the first column, as you can see here in the background. But once I move it, now my evaluation number will be my first column and my evaluation title will be my second column. And I'll click save, the page will reload, and as you can see, the columns have moved. You can also switch your view by clicking up here to just have a full table view. Now we can scroll through the table and find barriers that are in our system regardless of evaluation. But you can see the tool is very helpful to narrow down what the items are. We have a group, type, subtype 1, 2, and 3. So I know that this issue is about doors, the 32-inch minimum clear width at a single door. And each column has a filter built into it. So I can add a filter and just look at parking issues in the system. I can further filter by the evaluation title, city, jurisdiction, etc. A neat feature is the status column. Here you can see what findings are still open, what has been corrected, and things that you reviewed that were compliant. Now you can set those filters and then click here on export data, and this entire table will be exported in a CSV file. You'll just enter the email where you want to receive the file and click export CSV. If you've applied filters to the table, the export will have those filters already applied, and you would only get the filtered results. If you want to get results with the entire table, remove any filters or simply just refresh a page. We'll click here on table. One thing to note is that the table will only load up to the first 500 issues on its own. If you need to load more than that, you'll have to scroll down and let the table load another 500 items. The reason for this is just not to slow down the system at initial load. Now that I've loaded all my findings within my system, I can export this table and then manipulate that data in Excel. That's it. Thanks for watching.